Hey everybody, Steve Bourie here from the American Casino Guide, and we're at our offices in Hollywood, Florida, and we are located about 1 mile from the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, where they are building a new guitar-shaped hotel. And we got an invite to go over there for the big topping off ceremony. So in just a few minutes, we're going to head over and see what's going on over there. Evidently, they take the big final beam and put it on top of the hotel. So we'll check in with you again shortly when we get over there. Okay, we finally made it here. And behind me is the big tent where the ceremony is going to take place. Everybody's going to give a little talk about progress of this project. And then right behind me, you can see the guitar-shaped hotel. And that is the final beam that they're going to put in place way up on top, right up there. So, hang in there and we'll be back with more.
Everybody on track, both sides. So, thank you all very much. I saw him from a distance. Is Drew here?
All right, now they're on the last speaker, and he's a special guest speaker that they brought in from India. And actually, he is the person who built the first Hard Rock Cafe, and he came here for this ceremony. It's interesting because years ago, the Seminole Hard Rock, they bought out the Hard Rock Cafe Corporation. So they own the brand, the Hard Rock International brand. They own all the Hard Rock cafes in the world. So they're special guests. So last one talking about is the guy who started the very first Hard Rock Cafe in London.
An amazing day in the tribe's history, and it shows their commitment to obviously to their lands, but it also has such a tremendous ripple effect.
Behind me, where you'll see the next podium, where they're going to have some more talking, and then they're going to do the ceremony where they raise the girder to the top of the hotel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody make some noise! Ladies and gentlemen, coming fall 2019, the world famous guitar building right here, Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, right here in your own backyard, beautiful Hollywood, Florida.
Okay, everybody, that's it. That's the finish of the topping out ceremony here at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. The new hotel is supposed to open in fall 2019, which I guess would be September. I know they want to have it done in time for the Super Bowl because the Hard Rock is a sponsor at the Miami Dolphins Stadium here, so they're big into football. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with updates. I'm sure we're going to be here for the grand opening next year, but hopefully there's more stuff going on before then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget that you can see more of our educational gambling videos on our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/American Casino Guide.